Hi again, Assalamualaikum. In this video, I'm going to give you some tips on how to memorize the network cable color. Okay, so as you already know, for the twisted pair cable network, it can be divided into two types of network cable. The first one is what we call a straight cable, and the second one is what you call a cross cable. Okay, for straight cable, it can be divided into two standard. The first one is T568A, the second one is T568B. And for cross cable, it is the combination of T568A plus T568B. Okay, how are we going to memorize all of this color? So I'm going to focus only on one color arrangement first, which is on T568B. Okay, so for T568B, the first color is white orange, the second one is orange, the third one is white green. Okay, the fourth one is blue, the fifth one is white blue, 6 is green, 7 is white brown, and the last one is brown. Okay, so this is the color arrangement for T568B. So how are you going to memorize this? You only need to memorize T568B in order for you to memorize T568A. So how are you going to do that? Okay, so what you need to focus is on 1, 3, 2, and color number 6. Why this? Okay, why is this? So you need to memorize this code number 1, 3, 2, 6. What does this 1, 3, 2, 6 mean? Okay, 1, 3, 2, 6 mean? This means that if you already memorized T568B, you should be able to memorize T568A. So this is the T568B just now, and then you want to rewrite 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so if you look here, 1, 3. So 1 means color number 1 will go to number 3. So this one will become white orange, and then color number 3 will go to number 1. So this first color will become white green. And then it says here 2, 6, 6, 2. So color number 2 will go to number 6. So number 6 will become orange, and color number 6 will become number 2. So this one will become green. There. Okay, so you already got that exchange here. 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, 6, 6, 2. 1, 3, and then 3 goes to 1, 2 goes to 6, and 6 goes to 2. So the rest, you just follow the original color. So number 4 will become blue, and then 5 is still a white blue, and then we have white brown for number 7, and the last one is brown. Okay, so there you already have this T568A color arrangement. Okay, So by memorizing the T568B color arrangement, and you need to memorize this code 13263162. You will be able to memorize T568A using the T568B color code. So that's all for the tips. Thank you.